assignments to do.
We're working on assignments.
Zainab, don't scare me, please.
Hello everyone, and welcome to day 4.
The fourth day was horrible. It was the day I had to teach. I walked to the center and I was on time, early even, to prepare. The input session went very well next to Damla. Then I started my teaching. Not to a standard. This is what I got for that teaching practice. Why? Because I didn't follow all Celta instructions and I finished my lesson 10 minutes earlier. I felt so bad and upset, spent the rest of the day crying, and crying.
Hey guys, welcome to day 4?
5.
4.
It's Friday, day 5.
Day 5. The
Monday,
end of
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, day 5.
the end of the first week.
5 days.
Zainab, how do you feel so far?
I think I feel good. Better than the first days. I
Okay.
was overwhelmed the first days. Now it's good. I have a lesson today.
Yes.
Anyway,
You think that things are getting easier?
I don't know. It's getting not easier, it's getting harder, but I think we're gonna get used to that. So that's the easy part.
That day was over, but it was still hard to pull myself together. Keep in mind that making mistakes is allowed in Celta. No one will fail you for ruining 1 or even 2 teaching practices. Learn from your mistakes and do not repeat them. The first week was about to end that day and we had our first weekend ahead. Weekend means a lot of time for preparing for teaching practices plus a little bit of free time. Just a little. Thank you.
Let's do it.
Thank you.
No, we have a lesson with that. This is just the text for the where I took the photos.
Hello, you people. The first week is done. Hopefully. Actually, it doesn't feel like a week, it feels like a year. And this is not my idea, this is everybody's idea. And even the tutors say such a thing, they keep saying that, doesn't it feel like a long time you're here? And we were saying, yes, it does. And it's weekend, it's the weekend actually, so we don't have to go to the center. We can stay at home, but this doesn't make anything any easier because we have a lot of assignments to cover. I woke up quite early today. I could sleep, but I didn't. I cooked lunch. I want to eat it here right in the balcony. The weather is amazing, look at it. Then I want to start doing my assignments.
You watch me cooking and I'll let you know about the first assignment. The first assignment is the most challenging one and it asks you to analyze the language needs of your specific students. In simple terms, you have to get to know one student or a group of students in your teaching practice class, identify what they are good at and what they struggle with, suggest activities or materials to help them improve. You will have a deadline for each assignment. Make sure to finish it just before the deadline. When the first assignment comes out, you will need to work on both assignments and teaching practices at the same time. Assignment 1 was given on the first day, and you have 1 week to finish it and resubmit it.
I took a nap more than expected. But now
I want to start doing my assignments. I will definitely finish my TP today and start my assignment and part of it because I don't have enough time. I have to submit it by Monday 9 a.m. Yes, I want to drink a cup of coffee and then ready to go.
I went out after hours of working and studying. The area I stayed in called for Levent or Dirt Levent. Levent is one of the key spots in Istanbul's main business district, forming the northern extension of the famous Levent area. It is well connected, making it easy to reach from anywhere in Istanbul. That night, I finally got the chance to try one of Turkey's famous foods called dürüm. It is a popular street food, a wrap filled with various ingredients. My face doesn't show it, but it was really delicious. After trying it that night, dürüm became my first choice for lunch or dinner. I actually kept craving it.
Houses, it's not working in these houses.
But it's just this area.
Just here. Here, it's dark. People are out with their flashlights. We're working on assignments.
Zainab, don't scare me, please.
Don't be. I'm working on assignments.
Let's go inside. I'm afraid.
What? Don't be. Come on.
Let's go in the kitchen, sit next to each other, and not move.
We had a problem late at night while working on our assignments. The electricity cut off and left us in complete darkness. Thank God my roommate was home and awake with me because I couldn't stand the darkness in a new house at that time. Thankfully, the power came back after about 20 minutes. We had a little late night chat and everyone was in the bedroom studying. It was impossible to sleep at a reasonable time at night because I always had to stay up due to lack of time. Some nights felt really miserable. Remember not to postpone things, be focused and do them as soon as you need to. Time management is the key in Celta. Time management saves you. There was nothing different about Sunday, just work, 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 and work. When you receive the first assignment, you may get more stressed about managing both assignments and your teaching practices. Take the suggestion, put your teaching practices as a priority. Why? Because you will be given a chance to resubmit your assignment if there is a problem, but you can do nothing when a teaching practice goes wrong. You need to submit 4 assignments and complete 7 teaching practices during this course. Tolerating being at home after hours of studying was again so hard, so I went out again. I got my Istanbul card that day at Levent subway station. A subway officer helped me get my card from the machine. You can use it for any type of transportation. It is a perfect choice because taking a taxi is not a good opinion in Istanbul. It costs stupidly high. That night I finished exploring the main streets of Levent. It was convenient with lots of shops. The next day I had the lesson and it was very important because I had to make up for the last lesson I missed.
Did you have dinner?
Not yet. I will prepare something. I found myself a husband. Like the ones that sold me these. Yeah.
What?
Instagram and everything. It was like
A husband?
yeah.
You see what type of things happen when you don't take me with yourself?
I was like, what's going on?
What was he like? Say hello
He
to
was
my.
so-
Say
was-
hello.
Oh my
to
god, dear. Hi guys. No, I didn't find a husband.
So you were saying, okay, I'm gonna turn it off. She's going to tell me who I am.
The next teaching practice was a real makeoff for the previous one. I knew what I was doing much better.
Ready? Careful. West. Back to the center. Wiper. Back to the center.
You learn some games for your lessons in Celta, games that engage students more. Here we are doing some pronunciation games working on sounds. You need to jump to a particular direction when you hear a special sound, or in this game you need to stand up, sit down, or move behind a chair when you hear a particular sound. It is kind of fun. You will learn games for other skills as well. Here we are doing something fun with partners working on vocabulary and grammar. You will have all of these games and descriptions in Google Classroom till 6 months.
Yeah, because the lights is.
Oh no!
Don't say I didn't warn ya. Boys only want love if it's too much. Don't I didn't say I didn't warn ya.
My second favorite part of the course was input sessions. Input sessions are the learning part of the Celta. You learn how to teach theory, methods, and techniques. Input sessions prepare you for your teaching practice. You learn something in an input session and then you try it out when you teach your own class. Input sessions cover language analysis, how to teach the 4 language skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening, classroom management, how to control the class, give instructions, and organize activities, lesson planning, using resources and materials, understanding your learners, who they are, why they are learning English, and what they need. Tutor does not just stand and lecture. Instead, they demonstrate good teaching techniques. They use pair work and group activities, give clear instructions, and use visual aids and real examples. Remember the best part of the course? Feedback sessions, They're the part of the Celta course where you and your classmates discuss what happened during your teaching practice and receive guidance from your tutor on how to improve. Feedback sessions have several important parts. First, self-reflection. Before anyone else speaks, you are expected to reflect on your own lesson. What went well? What was difficult? What would you do differently next time? This helps you develop the habit of self-evaluation. Next, peer feedback. Your classmates in your teaching practice group will also share their observations. They watched your lesson just as carefully as you watched theirs. They can point out things you might not have noticed about your own teaching. Finally, tutor feedback. Your tutor will then give you detailed feedback on your teaching practice. This includes both the strengths, what you did well, and action points, specific things to work on for your next lesson. In the second week, we were so nervous and busy with the first assignment. You can ask each other's opinion a bit about the assignment or recommend stuff, but you cannot copy from each other. This is considered plagiarism, which is a serious form of malpractice. Cambridge English has a very clear and strict policy about this, and there can be serious consequences. Management, dedication, and a lot of studying are all necessary for Celta. However, do not forget to have some fun to keep your energy up. You will find time for it if you stay organized during the course.
I want to go to a mall, which is very near to my place. I guess I'm catching a cold because I feel a little bit of sore throat and it feels like I have a fever and I am not that energetic.
No matter what you do or what mistakes you make, do not get sick. Trust me, a sore throat and a fever are not things you can handle during such an intensive course.